Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to another exciting and interesting math session. Be ready with your book and your pencil. Today's lesson is on quarters and fourths. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to partition or divide shapes into 4 equal parts. Kids, let us add up another word to your vocabulary. In today's lesson, you will understand also what fourths or quarters means. Fourths or quarters, these are the 4 equal parts of a whole, and each part is a fourth, or a quarter of the whole. To illustrate, an example is given for you. A square is partitioned into fourths. Each part is a quarter or a fourth. I repeat, each part is called a fourth or a quarter. Before we go on with the discussion, I would like you to watch the video and listen carefully.
When you have a sandwich, do you like to cut it into 2 pieces or 4? If it is cut into 2, we say it is cut in half. If it is cut into 4, we say it's cut into quarters. We are often cutting things in half for all different reasons. When Sally eats avocado, she cuts it in half like this. To make orange juice, Mum cuts the orange in half like this, to squeeze it. If you are with a friend, it's good to go halves in special treats, like this chocolate bar. We can cut shapes into halves too. Here is a square. It has a line down the centre, cutting it in half. If we colour one side, we say that one half is coloured. We can write one half using words like this, one half, or last night we had pizza for dinner. There are 4 people in our family and we each wanted an equal share. Dad cut the pizza into quarters. It was fair for everyone and it tasted yummy. At Dylan's birthday party, his mum cut the birthday cake into quarters so that each child got an equal share. There were 4 children to eat the cake. Yum! Shapes can be cut into quarters too. Here is a rectangle. It has been cut into 4 equal parts. Each part is called a quarter. If one part is coloured in like this, then we say 1/4 is coloured. We can write it using words, 1/4, or numbers. By now, I'm going to go and cut this ice cream bun in half to share with my friend. Because sharing is fun.
What have you learned from the video about fourths or quarters? Yes, that's correct. A cake for a party was partitioned or divided into 4 equal parts. Another is, a pizza pie is also divided into 4 equal parts. How do you partition shapes into 4 equal parts? Partition means to divide, kids. You have seen from the video how to partition a shape or an object into 4 equal shares or parts. And each share or part is a fourth. 4 fourths make 1 whole. Okay, kids, let us have examples on how you can partition or divide a whole into fourths or quarters. Jenna buys a popcorn tin that is divided into equal parts using 2 lines. Draw 2 lines to show the equal parts. How many equal parts are there in all? Let us draw 2 lines. 1 and 2. Now let us count how many equal parts are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 equal parts. And each part is a fourth or a quarter. Let us have another example. Draw 3 squares. Show 3 different ways to divide a square into fourths or quarters. Okay, so I will draw squares and draw lines to divide the square in 4 equal parts. That is the first one. And that is the second way how to divide a square into 4 equal parts. And we have the last one. So let us count how many equal parts are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next square. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last square. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have divided the squares into 4 equal parts in 3 different ways. Now look at this hot and cheesy pizza pie. 4 people want to have equal shares. How are they going to divide it equally into 4? There you go. So each person will have a fourth. Okay, kids, try this out. You'll be given time to finish it. How many equal parts make up the whole? The time starts now. For number 1. That is correct. There are 4 equal parts. How about number 2? That is right also. There are 4 equal parts. Good job. Draw lines to show 4 equal parts. Write how many fourths. So there are 4 equal parts, or there are 4 fourths. And number 4, there are 4 fourths also. Excellent, kids. Kids, how are halves and fourths different? That is right. Halves are 2 equal parts of a whole. while fourths or quarters are 4 equal parts of a whole. And now, it's time for you to work on your own. Answer the given book pages, and afterwards, you can refer to the given key answers to check your work. Okay, kids, how well did you understand the task today? Please encircle one of the faces. Wow, that's great! It means to say that you understood the lesson well. Work on pages 697 and 698 for your homework. And upload your answers in dCampus. Kids, you can use the given link for more practice. Remember, practice makes perfect. Thank you for listening. See you in the Zoom session. Goodbye, kids.